What's going on, YouTube? Alright. I'm not sure if I'm back this time or not. I've got a lot going on. But as of right now, we're going to do a small package opening. I got this in the mail from Mac G&G, and I bought this off of him a couple days ago now, and I just got it in the mail today, and I'm going to see about knocking out a quick pick. I doubt that I'm going to be any good. I haven't picked in a while, so we're going to give it a try, see how poorly I can do. But first, definitely go check out the links below. I've got my Discord link in the description. I've got my email address, and I believe that's all for this one, because do not believe Mac G&G has a YouTube channel. If he does, I will double check with him and I will add it in the description below. But alright, let's go ahead and pop this open real quick. Sorry to the people that have been waiting for videos from me. I'm a fairly busy person. I've been moving, I've had other issues come up. Definitely been on Discord. Everyone on there kind of sort of knows what's been going on with me. Been on there just get away from the issues of everything that I've been doing. So let's see here. Put this away so I don't chop off any fingers. Okay, I didn't know that that was going to be in an actual branded case. News to me. Alright, so what I bought from him was, I believe I have the terminology down right, but it's a traveling salesman kit. And this one happens to be from Keymark. I have got several Keymark SFICs laying around that I picked up from a locksmith that I had to pick for him, and I wanted one that worked because that was the hardest SFIC that I have ever picked because of the keyway. And this one has a little bit of everything. It's got a kick, and we'll focus. And that's a nasty keyway. And the SFICs are the exact same way. I'm having to play around with lighting, because as my Discord people know, I have moved and I am now in a completely different state. And if you pay attention to my username at all, not my username, but my email address, movingpicker, there's a reason why that I have that. Works perfectly. Really like the padlock. This whole thing's gonna go in my collection. I gotta get a set of shelves first and to put them on. But gotta operate. I'm gonna bet and say, yep, that's the control. 6-pin. Well, 6-pin SFIC. I believe the ones I have are 7 pins. I'm gonna have to double check that later on, not right now. But yeah, just figured I'd share that with people. A couple of tail pieces. I don't believe this stuff has ever been used as hardware. And then this is a mortar cylinder. Yep, definitely gonna have to play with the lighting in here a bit. My board that I normally had going across the top, I don't have it anymore. It's used for another project. Alright, so there's that, just a quick little look at that. I don't think there's anything underneath it. No. Now, set that off to the side. Now let's see if I can keep from embarrassing myself on a Basi. And there's the key. There's the lock. Yeah, tiny little thing. And an even tinier keyway. So we're just gonna clamp that up in the vise. Again, playing with lighting, so if lighting sucks, I will have it fixed on the next one. Because right now I've got only about 10-15 minutes to actually play with putting a video up. So we will go bottom of the keyway and just a short 18 thousandths hook. And I've already forgotten how I turn things in order to keep the camera seeing them. That was a good click. Alright. Really no good tension wrench for this one. Oh, I know what to do. I've already forgotten all the different picks I've got, so bear with me for a few. It's been a little while since I've done any picking. There's one. That was 3, I believe. And one drop back down. That was 4. And this lock I got from Strami 90. It's been a little while ago now. He and I worked out a trade after he won my Discord giveaway. Well, contest, not giveaway. So in the process of sending him the winnings, we just went ahead and worked out a trade. Alright, cool. And I did not embarrass myself. That would have been bad. Yep, and it's caught on the vise. There we are. Not gonna lie, I have picked this before, but it has been a while. So, there's that. Picked lock, grabbed one out of the collection that I didn't have to gut. Could have only taken one fail, not 2. So, alright, hopefully I look forward to making some more videos this coming week or so. And until next time, have a good one, folks.